Hello YouTubers, my name is Martin and you are watching my new channel InsideUbuntu, and in this channel I will post videos about how to use Ubuntu, how to solve problems that you might have in Ubuntu, which software to use, how to use it and how to install it. And I will recommend software and review software. I will review different versions of Ubuntu like Xubuntu or Kubuntu or Lubuntu. If you should have any questions, just ask me in the comments or send me a message. You won't see me yet because I don't have a decent camera right now. I will change this as soon as I can, and I will probably get another mic too because this one is pretty crappy. You might already have noticed that I don't use the Unity desktop, which usually comes with Ubuntu 11.04. That's because I prefer the Gnome desktop, and I've modified mine to look a little bit like Mac OS X. So if your desktop doesn't look like mine, don't worry. The things I explain will most likely work in every desktop environment for Ubuntu, and if there should be any exception, I will explain you how to handle that. So what are we going to do today? Today I'm going to show you how to record your desktop. For example, if you want to create a screencast, it's pretty useful to record your desktop. Therefore, I will present you two pieces of software. The first one is Record My Desktop, and I will show you how to install that in just a few seconds. So the first thing you might want to do is open up the terminal. There are different ways to do that. First possibility is if you go to your menu. In Gnome that would be the main menu, and then go to accessories and then terminal. You can also type or press Ctrl Alt and T, and this will bring up the terminal. There are different ways of opening the terminal. You can just find out which one you prefer. Personally, I pretty much like the version of pressing Ctrl Alt and T. Now that you've somehow managed to open a terminal, you can just type sudo apt-get install, and then you can type record my desktop and hit enter. Now you will be prompted for your password and you just have to type it in. You won't see any stars or dots or something like that, just type it in and press enter. In my case this didn't install anything because I already have Record My Desktop installed. In your case it should download some packages and install Record My Desktop. So basically this is all you need to record your desktop. You can start the application by typing Record My Desktop in the terminal, but this would lead you to a terminal application. So if you prefer a graphical user interface, you might just install GTK Record My Desktop, and you can do so by typing sudo apt-get install gtk-record my desktop and hit enter. So now that you have everything you need to record your desktop, you can just start GTK record my desktop by either typing gtk-record my desktop in terminal. This would open the GUI for record my desktop, or you can as well hit Alt F2 and then again type gtk-record my desktop and hit enter. Another way to open the GUI for record my desktop is to go to the menu, in my case the Gnome menu, and then I go to sound and video and desktop recorder and click on that, and this will as well open the GUI for record my desktop. So now you have opened the GUI, you can change some settings if you like. You can control the video and the sound quality, or you can even disable the sound if you don't want to record sound, or if you want to record sound with another application such as Audacity. You can change some advanced settings by clicking on advanced, and there you can change things like the frame rate or rendering on the fly and things like that. Just experiment or ask if you have any questions, but usually you don't have to change anything for just recording your desktop. After having applied all the settings as you like, you can start recording your desktop. First you can choose a destination for the output file. Default would be something like out.ogv in your home directory. If you don't want that, if you want another directory, you can just click on Save As and browse your file system and then choose a nice directory for your file and a nice file name, of course, and then you click on Save or press Enter. Now you can record your desktop by just clicking on Record, and that's it basically. Now record my desktop, record your desktop. As soon as you click on Record, this window here should disappear. Actually, it does disappear on my PC, but you can't see it because of some rendering error. Still, this window just isn't there, so okay. Now you can see that there is a little icon in the panel, and you can click on it, and yeah, you can stop or pause recording your desktop. If you click on stop, your video will be saved, or first it will be rendered and then saved. If you click on pause, you can resume recording your desktop later on. And yeah, that's basically it. We will click on stop right now. If you click on stop and you have render on the fly disabled, it will start rendering now. And yeah, this will take a little while, so I will just speed it up so you don't have to wait all the time. So now we finished recording and saving the video, and now let's see what we've done so far. So I'll open my file manager and go to the destination. I save the file, and then I'll double click on it, and yeah, let's see. So you can see that's what we recorded earlier, and you can't hear anything because we disabled the sound. And well, that's all you need to know. First you install Record My Desktop, and if you want you can install GTK Record My Desktop to have a graphical user interface, and then you can record all you want. Eventually you will have to convert your video, for example if you want to upload it to YouTube or whatever, and I will definitely make a video on converting files such as video files and audio files or even images. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.